speaking of series, you heard of this smartphone Galaxy S21? You heard anything about it?
Here and there. Very sparsely.
Yeah, you got 21, 21 Plus, 21 Ultra. We got a report here, sammobile.com. They say that the S21 flagship series, they may make a little adjustment there to their prediction on how many units to produce. Apparently, they're being a little more careful this time around. And this dates back to the S20 series, in which they had estimated 35 million shipments, but only ended up with 26 million. You see, I don't think you want to have 11 million extra smartphones. I'm just guessing.
Yeah,
that's
not
probably
a good look.
That's probably worth a few dollars, and then you got to drop the price and potentially hurt the brand a little bit. You want to make the right number of smartphones if you can, but it's, as we've learned with these next gen consoles and these graphics cards, supply and demand is hard. Sometimes you can't help that demand, and sometimes you get a guy like Willie Doo who's buying up GPUs.
Not me. I only buy 1 or 2 every year.
2?
Oh, yeah.
Easy, man. So anyway, this time around, they made an adjustment from the 35 expectation to 26 million total, at least for this first portion of 2021. They're expecting to ship, here's how they see the breakdown going, 10 million S21s, 8 million S21 Plus, and another 8 million S21 Ultra. So actually a fairly even distribution across the 3 models. It's not like on the iPhone side where there was, most people were for the entry level, the stock model. I guess not the entry level because you have the mini.
Oh, the mini.
But like the main model, the iPhone 12. In this case, the Plus and Ultra units are very close in expectation to the base model. So that it goes to show you that user base is distributed maybe a little bit differently. However, who knows? That number can change if there's a positive reaction. And 2020 was a different year than 2021, wasn't it? 2021, it's all up from here. Didn't you hear? Did you catch
Did I?
Extra, read all about it.
Oh, now we're really old. extra? Jeez. Are you a paper boy? Yeah.
I think I'm feeling nostalgic today or something.
Yeah.
I must be. I'm imagining a time, New York City, 1865, you know? Let's get a picture of New York City, 1865. I want to see Times Square. Was it even there? 1865? Why did I pick 1865? Maybe, you know what? Manhattan looking somewhat built up. I see a fire going on. Yeah, let's get the, well, I mean, the fire's a little, as far as our nostalgic feeling, there goes that. Yeah. I mean, it was built up. You had, what is that, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-story building going on. President Lincoln's funeral procession in New York City. Wow. What a time.
Someone drew this.
Yeah, man. I mean, the photograph is not, when did the photograph come out? That one looks like a photograph.
Oh, this one?
But maybe not. I don't know. Even if you had photographs, they weren't the best. But it does look like, all right, now we're going, it's a little quick trip down memory lane. World's first photograph. Take your guesses in the comment section. What year was it? 1826. So they definitely had photographs. Oh, wow. But yeah, that was not a common thing, Willie Doo. So yeah, we're taking a trip today.